Well, we haven't seen mornings like this in a while. Yeah. Nice and dark out. Usually doesn't really happen till like after fair time. More like after soybeans are off or the corn is off. They don't really start getting dark out till then. So I haven't even pulled the camera out of my pocket once today. And here it is. Almost 3:30. Yeah, so I'm just not with it today, guys. I mean, I'm not with it. I don't know if it's the heat. Well, I know it's not the heat. It's 99.9999% sure that it's the humidity, and it sucks. I have always never been a fan of the humidity as long as I have ever lived. I mean, usually there's something to do on the farm. Yeah. Mow grass at what? 6:30. We got with it this morning only to get a text from the runners. What are you doing? Well, you should clearly be able to hear what the heck I'm doing. Mowing grass so I can get with it before it gets hot and humid out. It takes a good hour to do along the roads, and then it takes 4 SCO showers to do the whole farm, and then it takes 5 hours, 5-6 hours to do at home. Yeah, that's what, 6, 7, 8 or so hours. I mean, yeah, I'm not, you know, it gets tiresome after a little bit, and that's, you know, why I thought I would get with it when I did. And only to be told, you know, that what I was doing was a nuisance at 6:30 in the morning, which, you know, I don't care. Here's the way that I look at it. Are they paying me to mow? No. Dad is, okay? Yeah. So that's all the more I'm going to say about that is runners can keep their mouths shut, because when I'm told to do something, I do it. I don't listen to nobody that tries to tell me different unless they are willing to pay me what I am paid at work. Just putting a little fuel in the tractor. Got ourselves a new nozzle. You can't just buy the ring separately, you gotta buy the whole gosh darn thing. Oh well. Thanks, Joe Biden. Thank you very much. Alright, so I'm on a roll, ranting and raving and stuff, and everything is making me mad in the world and everything. We'll talk about air conditioners for a minute, okay? Yep. 2000 John Deere 7810 or 1999, I can't remember. But cab air conditioning. It's got air. Somewhat of an air conditioner. But my biggest pet peeve is letting the doors and windows closed with the air on. Okay? Or no, I mean running the air conditioner with the doors and windows open. Why do people freaking do that? It just drives me up a wall. I don't even understand why in a piece of equipment like the off-road truck when it's got air, why would you run with the windows open or the window open? Because you're lazy and you know, gotta have your stupid AM FM radio up as loud as it'll go. And yeah, I hardly ever listen to the AM FM radio when I'm in the truck. I can hear the horn clear as day with the cab shut or with the window shut, but other guys, oh, I can't hear it. It's frickin' 85 degrees out right now. It's the middle of summer, and you gotta have the air conditioner on full bore and the window open. What good does that do? That don't do no good at all. You're just wasting Freon. You're gonna blow the compressor up. And just like the 7810, since I cannot see clearly down to that hitch, I'm going to shut the thing off, let the window open. Yeah, this is basically just oil on a oil clutch or a transmission. You don't need to clutch. I mean, if you're gonna have the door open and the air conditioner going, you're due to break the darn thing. You just are. You just are due to break the gosh darn thing. I mean, especially when it's gonna take you longer than a minute to get hooked up because you're off center in every way possible, and then not to mention the clutch in this thing, it almost comes out all the way before it grabs, which I don't know if this thing's going to be needing a clutch here shortly, but yeah. Oh gosh darn it. And no, it ain't because I got a stupid camera in my hand, Dad. Because I know you watch my YouTube stuff. Oh gosh, darn it. Well, how about now? Nope. Now, if I'm thinking right, them should be hooked up the right way as they come off of the holder there. Because I've got to get them wings down to hook the PTO up. Let's see, short one. Yep. I like it. I love it. I did something right for once. Alright, I'm gonna try something that a subscriber told me to try. Is let the wings down when you hook the PTO up, and it'll go a lot easier. So I think I'm straight enough. Yeah, I think I'm straight enough to hook the bully with that thing. Going to bully with it, I'll set you guys up here. I think these are the appropriate gloves, even though these were what was in the tractor. So yeah, you guys can listen to some, you know, terms and stuff like that. Even though, you know, that, yeah, they tell me, you know, the renters and all that, they say, oh, you know, you can live on a farm without cussing or swearing. Yeah. Try and tell me that one. Uh-huh. You'll find out in a minute. I'm sure you will. There. I think you guys can see enough. Right? I hope so. Because this is good entertainment right here, is watching my videos. Because I feel that, well, there's very, 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 very few YouTubers who are blunt and honest with their content. Okay, one being Wes Pandy, DeHaven Family Farms, Mike P7D10, Jan Coates, and Brian's farming videos, I think. I'm pretty sure on that one. So, without any further ado, you guys will watch me. Yeah, hook this thing up and some colorful language along the way. Maybe not, but I can't be the judge of that. Oh shoot, do we gotta change the... Ah, crap. Yeah, we gotta change the shaft first. Well, pooey. I tell you what, I got the snap ring pulled out of this 7010. I'm flipping shafts around here. Yeah, I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see what the heck is going on here, but I'm having a bitch of a time. So it goes in this way on the shaft, with the little buttons, you know, facing out towards, you know, the shaft. Flipped it around from 1,000 to 540. There's a little flat spot here that it has to get lined back up again. I'm pretty sure that has to set up top again, for the snap ring to go into. Get my snap ring here. I'm gonna pull that back out. Now the snap ring, it's kind of goofy. It wants to start, but it like when I get it around the other end here, and I done that completely backwards, didn't I? Yeah, I done did that backwards, but oh well. Flip it around. Needs to come out. Okay, put that like that. It should sit like that. You just take your pliers. You squeeze the ever-loving stuffing out of it. Gosh darn it, why didn't that? Alright, so I think I figured it out this time. I think. I don't know. I'm gonna put you guys right there. What to do with my pliers. There they are. I think what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to get this snap ring small enough to where it, you know, is smaller than these grooves here on this shaft, on these splines here. I think you're supposed to get the snap ring smaller than it. Push this in and then let the snap ring loose. I think that's how you're supposed to do it, but I don't know. I don't know. Put it back the same way I had it when I took it out from the 1,000 side. Okay, maybe he didn't use yeah. Maybe he didn't use yeah. What the heck am I trying to say? Yeah. My mind just went blank. Damn it. Yeah. Crap. Oh, good grief. My mind is going blank. Needle nose pliers. That's what I am trying to say. Come on here. Need to get this on here. I'm trying to figure out. See, if I want it like that. No, I think it needs. I don't know which way it needs to go. Maybe. Oh my God. Ouch. I didn't get a chance to finish this video up last night. Had some family things to take care of. Got the PTO done, flipped to a 540. Can't really see it, but there is a certain spot it goes in, and I'll show you guys what that is when I go to unhook this heavy PTO shaft. Who would ever thought that doing something so darn simple like filling a gas can could be so darn sweaty? Yeah, it's hot out. Can only get worse, right? Well, it can't get no worse. Did I do that? No. 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 I really didn't do that. Yeah. We'll catch you next time, guys. Stay hydrated, because it is hot out. I don't want to see nobody get heat exhaustion, because that would suck.